Pronouns are to language what screws are to flat pack furniture. At first it might seem like there's way too many and it doesn't make sense where they even go. Let's leave them out. But without them, everything else falls apart. A pronoun can replace a noun so that we don't have to continually repeat words in a sentence. So let's look at the 8 types of pronoun and how they're used. Personal pronouns are used in place of a specific person or thing. They can be broken down into first, second, or third person, and they cover subject, object, and possessive. For example, this book is mine, or the book was gifted to us. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things. For example, I don't like that one, I like this one. Relative pronouns describe a noun in terms of how it relates to another word. For example, you're face to face with the man who sold the world. Reciprocal pronouns express a mutual relationship or action. For example, you and your brother look after each other. Indefinite pronouns are used when referring to something non-specific or unknown. For example, anybody could do your job. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. For example, who broke this lamp and what are we going to do about it? Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject of the sentence is also the object of the sentence. For example, I punched myself in the face. Intensive pronouns are actually the same words as reflexive pronouns, but they function slightly differently. They add emphasis. For example, she mastered pronouns all by herself. If you need a more in-depth explanation of each pronoun, with more examples, we'll be covering each type in its own video in our dedicated pronouns playlist. You can check the resources linked in the description, and as always, ask any questions you have in the comments. Your writing, proof.